How to use Google reverse image search on mobile app. So here's how to reverse image search on your Android phone. There are two ways. You can search using an image you find online or an image saved on your phone. So first, let's try an image online. Go ahead, open your Google Chrome on your device. Search for anything you like. For this video, I'm going to search for watermelon. Then tap on the image that you want to search with. Look for the small icon in the bottom left corner of the image and tap on it. This will use Google Lens to reverse the image search, and you'll then see different places where that image appears. To reverse image, search an image from your phone, tap on the photo or the camera icon. To the right of the search bar, select the image that you want to search. Once you have selected the image that you want to search with, you'll see results at the bottom of the screen, and you can scroll down to see where the image appears online. For more results, you can go ahead and click on Exact Matches, and it's that simple. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.